how to open old NGL account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the NGL application on your device. Now, in order to open NGL account, go ahead and firstly delete your existing account. To delete, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for delete account. Tap on that. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again. Now, go ahead and tap on the Get Started button and further enter your login credentials while logging in, and this is how you can open old NGL account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.